Instron's autoinjector testing system is trusted worldwide for evaluating the performance of a wide range of drug delivery devices, including needle shield and button-activated autoinjectors. The same system also supports complete functional testing of safety syringes. This capability is made possible by a simple hardware kit that installs easily and facilitates fast, efficient switching between autoinjector and safety syringe testing on the same system. The kit includes upper and lower jaw faces, an injection platen that centers the device over the collection beaker and serves as the injection surface. It also includes alignment hardware and components for system suitability testing, along with pre-configured test methods in Bluehill Universal. These methods guide the system through a complete test sequence, including rigid needle shield removal, injection, and a safety lockout check. The test sequence is semi-automated and streamlined, simplifying the evaluation process while delivering precision and repeatability. During testing, the system can capture a variety of key performance metrics, including cap removal force, break loose force, glide force, delivered volume, and lockout check pass-fail. System suitability testing can be performed as needed to verify that the scale, camera, and load cell are functioning properly before testing begins. With this capability, you can confidently test both autoinjectors and safety syringes, all on a single, versatile Instron platform. Learn more at instron.com or contact your local Instron representative.